Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Malaysian style pork jerky bakwa recipe. First, I will show you the grilled version and then the baked version. Let's get started. Here I have 1 pound grounded meat, add half cup of ice cubes, stir the meat until it becomes sticky. I usually like to add ice cubes to mincemeat to add extra moisture. Now add 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 teaspoon tapioca starch, a quarter teaspoon sesame oil, a quarter teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon maltose, 2 tablespoon hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce. Mix the ingredients until everything is well combined. Place half of the grounded meat on the aluminum foil, then add the parchment paper on the top to roll the meat flat. The thickness should be about ½ inch. Put the meat on the rack and grill the pork jerky for 30 minutes on low heat. After 30 minutes, the jerky becomes firm. Remove the aluminum foil and brush some honey on both sides. Let it cook for a few more minutes. Then it's done. Making the pork jerky in the grill is more difficult since the heat is harder to control. Furthermore, firing up a grill can be quite a hassle, especially when you don't have a garden or charcoal around. So alternatively, we can just bake it. After 15 minutes, remove the foil, flip the jerky and apply a layer of honey on one side and bake for 15 minutes. Repeat the last step for the other side. I personally like the grilled pork jerky because the texture is more soft and has charcoal fragrance. What do you think? This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!